Hello, I'm Chris Alexander, and the topic I decided to do was Google Cloud. Google Cloud Platform is a cloud computing service provided by Google, which offers hosting on the same supporting infrastructure that the company Google actually uses for end-user products like Google Search and YouTube. Cloud Platform provides developer products to build a range of programs from simple websites to complex applications. Like I said, Google Cloud uses cloud computing in order to fulfill its functions. Cloud computing is a model for remote computer access. This is where users can use their computer and an internet connection to make contact with a remote server. This server is ran on an application using its hardware, giving user the ability to influence the application by executing demands through a web browser or other user interface. Now I'm going to discuss a little bit of the pros of Google Cloud. For one, it has higher productivity than other cloud services. Google systems can be distributed updates efficiently and deliver functionality on a weekly basis or even faster, as well as there's less disruptions opposed to other cloud services. Google has the ability to deliver manageable improvements in a continuous stream. Also, accessibility is great because employees can work from anywhere, so companies usually opt to use Google Cloud as an option. With Google Cloud, you're able to gain full access to information across a device from anywhere in the world through the web-based apps provided by Google Cloud. As well as it has the ability to do quick collaborations. Many users can contribute to and access projects at the same time as data is stored on the cloud instead of their computers. So there's a real-time functionality about Google Cloud, which is very beneficial. As well as it's very secure. Customers are protected by Google's investments in security. They are benefited by the process-based and physical security investments made by Google. Google hires the leading security experts in the world. Other pros of Google Cloud include the non-vulnerability aspect of it. That is because Google only provides minimum data that is stored in computers. So if a computer ends up getting compromised, not much information could be accessed, as well as after a user stops using the web-based apps on the cloud, it will be deleted. There's a higher uptime and reliability rate. If a data center is not available for some reason, the system immediately falls back on the secondary center without any service interruptions being visible to the user. There's also a control and flexibility feature about Google Cloud. Google has the ability to control technology and data and have ownership over the data in Google Apps. If a user decides not to use the service anymore, they can get their data out of Google Cloud. As well as, this is very important, Google Cloud is very inexpensive compared to other services. Google minimizes overhead and consolidates a small number of server configuration and manages through an efficient ratio of people to computers. Although there are many pros to using Google Cloud, there are obvious cons, like with any technology out there. For instance, the problem may be that Google has the authority with the Google Cloud, which means that if a keyword was given into Google search engine and matches the title of your image or text, then it might float around into public search. There's an issue with web dependency because you rely heavily on the internet and to access your file unless you keep copies on your machine. This can be taken as a disadvantage through this feature, like with other cloud services. Also, there's limited file formats, which is not great because if there's a way you would like to save your file, it may not be possible. And there are some security issues, but for the most part, it's not detrimental. There are many products offered with Google Cloud Platform. For instance, it's broken up into 3 to 4 sections: compute, storage, big data, and services. In the compute products, there's a compute engine and app engine. Storage, there's Cloud SQL, Cloud Storage, and Cloud Data Store. In big data, there's BigQuery. There's services, there's Cloud Endpoints. When Cloud Endpoints is a distributed API management system. It provides an API console, hosting, logging, monitoring, and other features to help you create, share, maintain, and secure your APIs. Like I talked about earlier in the products offered, there's something called Cloud Engine. And to get into a little bit more detail about Cloud Engine, is basically a Google infrastructure as a service. Through this, Google infrastructure can be used to run workloads on a large scale on a virtual machine. You can select a virtual computer to fit your needs and enjoy the consistency and performance of Google Network worldwide. This is also a good platform used by Google because it gives users the ability to pay for only what they use since the billing is per minute.